Hello, and welcome to my channel. Brothers in the UK, let me ask you something. You get that court letter, your chest tightens, and your stomach twists. She has finally filed those papers. She is taking you to court. Immediately, your mind goes, I need a lawyer, or I'll be losing my kids, I'll lose all my money, and I'll definitely lose my peace. But here's the truth that many fathers don't know. You don't always need a lawyer, and many Nigerian fathers in the UK are spending just thousands of pounds unnecessarily. In this video, I will show you how to prepare, how to speak up, and how to protect your rights in family court without wasting the little money you have worked so hard for. So we will be covering what you say and what you do not say in court, the key documents that you must prepare, how, and this is important, to use what is called a McKenzie Friend effectively, and also just confidence tips to walk into court, like a responsible father that you are. I am IJ from Afro Mom Abroad, so without ado, let's get straight into it. Firstly, I tell people mindset is everything, and we all know that family court can feel intimidating. It even feels unfair sometimes for those who have experienced it before, and many have. But brothers, the judge doesn't actually care about whether you're stressed or not, or how emotional you're feeling. What they care about are facts, evidence, and respectful behavior. So please, step one, just control your mindset. Think of it like this. Back home in Nigeria, when families have disputes, you go before the elders. In family court, I always tell people, think of the judge like your elder. And the documents and the preparation you have are the proof that you're going to present. I don't feel confidence comes from having money. It comes from proper preparation. Secondly, my brother, before you even step into the court, please get your papers right. You will definitely need a copy of your child's birth certificate. You will probably need any previous court orders or written agreements that you and Madam have made. You definitely need proof of contact. So any photos, texts, WhatsApp messages, etc. Any financial support proof, please bring them. Bank statements, transfers, receipts. And I always say it's really good to have any letters or witness statements from, say, teachers or family or friends. In terms of a tip when you're in court, please number every document with a bright colored marker so that you can find them easily when the judge is asking instead of scrambling around. And brothers, please, no arriving at court on Niger time. So judges definitely notice fathers who are organized, who are calm, and definitely who are punctual. Another advice I would like to give is that when in court, please speak like a father, not a fighter. So now let's talk about what you say and how you actually say it. When you're talking about your child, please use phrases like, I want to maintain a strong relationship with my child. Here is evidence showing how I will contribute to their care. I am willing to work with mom for the child's best interest. That is all I care about. Please avoid going in angry or emotional. And don't attack, don't accuse, she cheated on me, she did this. And also, please don't overpromise what you will do in future. In the court, be simple, use calm, respectful words, and show you're serious and responsible. It's not about who shouts the loudest, it's about who stays composed. So I mentioned that having what is called a McKenzie Friend might actually be better for most Nigerian fathers and who go into the UK family system, who don't always know that they don't need a lawyer. What a McKenzie Friend is your secret weapon. So here's what a McKenzie Friend can do for you. They can take notes for you during the court hearing. They can organize your papers for you and also help you draft position statements and any witness statements before the court date. They can also give you quiet advice, while the hearing is happening. Yes, people always say to me, but they can't speak for me in court. And even though they can't speak for you in court like a lawyer, the point is, you know your child, you know your case, and who knows your story better than you? So brothers have told me that even just having a McKenzie Friend beside them, definitely boosted their confidence massively. That they walked in very nervous and walked out proud of how they had represented themselves while saving quite a bit of money. Now, I'm actually a trained McKenzie Friend myself, but right now, I am not taking clients. Maybe I will in the future. Don't worry, I'll put a link in this post to a trusted network of qualified McKenzie Friends. You can definitely contact them, and I know you will get real support. They'll definitely guide you and definitely save you thousands of pounds. Because let's be honest, barristers these days can charge anything from 1,500 to 5,000 pounds per hearing. With a McKenzie Friend, I know you will pay a fraction of that and you would still walk in with confidence and deliver with clarity. In this video, I also want to point out to you that, brothers, as Nigerian men, you can actually use our cultural strengths and these will work for you in court. So when I say cultural strengths, for instance, that respect and calm authority when you speak. Judges notice fathers who are disciplined and patient. Again, our community support, like letters from our pastors, teachers, or even elders, can also strengthen, your case. Consistency in looking out for your child by showing the judge a steady pattern of how you've cared for that child. School runs, doctor visits, regular calls, all these things, they help and they tell the court and the judge who you truly are and why it is important you remain involved in your child's life. So it's important to say these things. So despite all I have said in this video, let's be honest, I know family court is stressful. I know it can shake your confidence and it can make you doubt yourself. So here's usually what helps to steady nerves before. Take deep breaths before and after every hearing. Talk to other Nigerians or African fathers who have been through this same process. There are lots of groups on Facebook, and you can join them and you can give your opinions and hear other perspectives. Always remember that your goal is not to win, but it's to protect your child's best interest. When you stay calm and you're prepared and you're respectful, you do stand out to the judge. So my brothers, let me end by saying representing yourself is possible. And many men I know have done it successfully. It's especially where it's about child arrangements, formal contact orders, and that is actually quite easy to do. So you should be able to represent yourself. You don't need to break the bank to prove that you're a good dad. It is about preparation, it is about strategy, and it is about confidence. You can protect your rights. You can show up like a proud and responsible father. And I'm telling you, you definitely can do this without spending thousands of pounds on lawyers. I will add a free family court preparation checklist in the post. Please do comment saying checklist below if you want it. I'll make sure it includes key documents to prepare, sample phrases to use in court, how to organize your evidence, how to actually work effectively with a McKenzie Friend should you want one. I am IJ from Afro Mom Abroad. Just to say thanks again for watching. Please do subscribe for more practical guides to protect your rights protect your child and also your peace of mind. Till next time, I'll always say stay calm, stay wise, and stand tall.